Hey guys, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and I'm back. It's Monday, February 12th, and I stopped at the Caribbean Beach real quick. I was just at the boardwalk and decided to run over to Caribbean Beach to see if I could see what was going on with some of the construction, and I wanted to catch some of the Skyliner possibly going up. So let me show you what I found here. You can see in the distance back there that they're actually putting up some of the elevated track for the Skyliner. Looks like there's 3 pillars up with the pulley system or the wheel system where the cables will go. As I was pulling up, they were actually raising where that crane is there. They were actually raising that unit on top of the tower there. So that was pretty neat to watch. Sorry I missed that for you, but...
Am I in the picture?
Nope, go for it. Bye-bye. People driving by in their golf carts. But anyways, that's where some of the track is actually going to run. And that will eventually run between Art of Animation, Pop Century, here through the Caribbean, and over to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. In the other distance here, you can see that they're working on the Riviera, which is coming along. Looks like they got about maybe 4 or 5 stories up. That's going to be a pretty impressive hotel once that goes up. I did drive by the Centertown area, and still a lot of construction going on. You can see it in the distance there as well. Still sort of scattered. Everything is still outside. There's food trucks. They have the temporary restaurant set up outside with the buffet and a little shop. But they seem to be coming along pretty quick. Now, I heard that the Skyliner is supposed to be done by next year, which would be impressive. I'm looking forward to riding that. There are some areas that are a little noisy, obviously with all the construction going on. But overall, it's not too bad. I really wouldn't recommend staying during most of the construction phase here. There are some areas that are a little more quiet, but no matter what, you're going to run into some kind of construction, either towers or trucks going by or tractors or any of that. It's always neat to watch the progress at Disney. This whole landscape will change. In another year, this will all be different. Be sure to leave your thoughts on what you think about the Skyliner. Are you excited for it? Is it going to make you want to stay at one of the resorts because of the Skyliner? Easier transportation. I think that always is a benefit when you just don't have the bus option and you have some other cooler options to take. Are we excited about the Riviera? I think that's going to be beautiful when it's done. But I think the Caribbean Beach is going to be a lot better once this is all done. Maybe one more look over here. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to give you that quick video, show you some of the progress that's going on. Be sure to check out our website, passporttotheparks.com. You can find all the videos there. And over at YouTube, we're going to start uploading these live videos to YouTube as well as Facebook. And that's YouTube.com/Passport to the Parks. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.